The academe is a very rich source of intellectual property, constantly generating creative ideas in business or science. But they don't need to remain as ideas. The university can help you turn them into products that may bring substantial benefits when sold or used. Here at UPLB, we make sure that your intellectual property is protected and nurtured. In this way, both you and the university can reap economic returns from their commercialization. This orientation aims to instill in you that all your outputs during your study or employment may have commercialization potential which should be efficiently managed. Hence, this video will talk about intellectual properties and IP rights, protecting intellectual properties, and commercializing UPLB technologies. Intellectual property or IP is any creation of the human mind or intellect. This creation should be tangible and capable of expression and communication, and can be applied, reproduced, and distributed. Meanwhile, intellectual property rights can be obtained if the creations meet legal requirements. These rights protect the creators or owners of IP to benefit from their work by giving them control over how their property is used. There are several types of intellectual properties. Among these are copyright, trademark, invention patent, utility model, industrial design, geographical indication, layout design, trade secret, and plant variety protection. Copyrights are granted to the owner, creator, or author at the moment of creating original and derivative works such as literary, scholarly, scientific, and artistic outputs. Examples of copyrightable works are books, pamphlets, drawings, illustrations, photos, and computer programs, among others. A trademark or service mark is an invisible sign employed to distinguish the goods or services of an enterprise from others. Examples of these are the UP logo, Oblation, and UP Supply. Some trademark products from UPLB are BioN, Nutrio, PECM, and Diaphorin. Invention patents can be granted to any technical solution of a problem, product, process, or an improvement in any field of human activity. It should possess novelty, involve a non-obvious inventive step, and have industrial applicability. Utility models, also known as petty patents, are new and industrially applicable technical solutions of a problem, but lack an inventive step. Topographies or designs of integrated circuits are design or layouts of circuits usually seen in motherboards and other electronics. An industrial design is a combination of lines, colors, 3D forms, and surface ornamentation. Apart from being new or original, it should also give a special appearance to and can serve as a pattern for an industrial product or handicraft. A geographical indication is a sign used on products that have qualities, characteristics, and reputation attributed to its specific place of origin. Examples of these are Carabao mangoes from Guimaras, Philippines, sparkling wine from the Champagne province in France, and Parmesan cheese from Parma and Reggio Emilia in Italy. Trade secrets are plans, processes, methods, tools, formulas, mechanisms, compounds, or confidential business information known only to its owner and employees. This provides an enterprise with a competitive edge. They prevent information from being disclosed to, acquired by, or used by others without their consent in a manner contrary to honest commercial practices. An example of a UPLB product with trade secrets is BioN. Plant variety protection is a type of IP that protects the owners of new plant varieties which are distinct, uniform, and stable. To possess the rights to these IPs, one must acquire a certificate of registration from the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. But how does UPLB protect your intellectual property? Generally, All copyrights and patents developed through the use of university resources should be disclosed and assigned to the university. These IPs shall be vigorously commercialized through the UPLB Technology Transfer and Business Development Office. We follow a royalty sharing scheme so that IP holders and the university can fairly benefit from the income of the commercialization. Some ways to commercialize intellectual property in UPLB include technology licensing, spin-off company, sale of IPs, business incubation, and trademark licensing agreement. The UPLB Technology Transfer and Business Development Office, or TTBDO, is the university's focal organization responsible for making sure that university IPs are protected and successfully commercialized. For those who want to apply for permission to use and/or license UP trademarks, you must file your applications with the said office. You may contact TTBDO for more information.